I mean, I like to think we hit the lottery. I'm Sharon Flynn. This is Sean Flynn. We live in Oakland. Now that we're empty nesters, our space wasn't really the kind of fun party house that we wanted to have.
So now it's a party house.
Now we have a party house. So we first met Ariel, and he was a very, very nice person, and we felt very comfortable in sharing our ideas, and he gave us a lot of great feedback around what he thought would work.
Ariel was he guided us where he needed to guide us and let us go where we needed to go, so that was perfect. Once the project started, it was pretty incredible. It was actually quite amazing how many people showed up to do the project, and compared to our previous projects that people would just disappear for a while or have one person working for months, it was 5 or 6 people all the time. And it was very impressive, and they got it done really fast. They actually got it done a month early based upon the agreed upon timeline. So that doesn't happen ever. So I was pretty impressed with their work ethic. The crew was great. They were clean, respectful.
After the fact, there was an error found. And so Ariel came up with a really great solution for how to manage the extra space. I just really appreciated how he always said to us, listen, I don't care if it's more work or more trouble for our team. We want you to be 100% satisfied with the outcome. So we ended up being.
And we met every week with him as a project manager to review where they were and what they were doing, so we kind of knew everything along the way, which actually made it easier to make sure it came out the right way and there were no surprises. It was nice to have a fixed price, because a fixed price means that change orders don't happen. But we did probably play a little bit of a premium for that, but that's the peace of mind of knowing that
Worth it.
every little thing wasn't going to be redone and renegotiated was ideal. And when we did have things that were above and beyond, Ariel was great to get us a reasonable price and put it in front of us to make a decision whether we wanted to do it or not. But the project itself stayed on track to what we were, and they did a lot of extra stuff that they didn't have to do and didn't charge us for because of the commitment on the price. So I was very impressed with that. I would recommend them to everybody.